Mercury is the smallest and closest planet to the Sun in our solar system. Size and composition: Mercury is the smallest planet in our solar system, with a diameter of about 4,880 kilometers, making it only slightly larger than Earth's moon. It's a terrestrial planet, meaning it has a solid, rocky surface. Its composition is primarily metal and rock, with a large iron core that makes up about 75% of its mass. Orbit and rotation: Mercury has an extremely elliptical orbit, meaning its distance from the Sun varies significantly throughout its year. The closest point, perihelion, is about 46 million kilometers (29 million miles), and the farthest point, aphelion, is about 70 million kilometers (43 million miles). A year on Mercury, that is, the time it takes to complete one orbit around the Sun, is just 88 Earth days. Mercury has an unusual rotation pattern. It rotates very slowly on its axis. It takes about 59 Earth days to complete one full rotation. However, due to the eccentricity of its orbit, it experiences a phenomenon called a resonant rotation. This means that for every 2 orbits around the Sun, Mercury completes 3 rotations. Surface features: the surface of Mercury is heavily cratered and resembles that of the Moon, with large impact basins and smaller craters. It has no atmosphere to speak of, which means there is nothing to protect its surface from meteoroid impacts. As a result, Mercury has one of the oldest and most well-preserved surfaces in the solar system. The planet's temperature fluctuates dramatically between day and night due to the lack of atmosphere. Daytime temperatures can reach up to 430 degrees centigrade, while nighttime temperatures can plummet to -180 degrees centigrade. Magnetic field: despite its small size, Mercury has a magnetic field, which is about 1% as strong as Earth's. This magnetic field is thought to be generated by a partially liquid core, similar to Earth's own. Lack of atmosphere: Mercury's atmosphere is very thin and composed mainly of oxygen, sodium, hydrogen, helium, and potassium. It's more of an exosphere than a true atmosphere, as it is extremely tenuous and does not provide protection from solar radiation. Because of this, Mercury cannot trap heat, contributing to the planet's extreme temperature fluctuations. Exploration: Mariner 10, a NASA spacecraft launched in 1973, was the first to study Mercury closely. It mapped about 45% of the planet's surface before running out of fuel. Messenger, another NASA mission that orbited Mercury from 2011 to 2015, provided more detailed maps of the planet's surface, magnetic field, and composition. The BP Colombo mission, a joint European Space Agency and Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency mission, is currently on its way to Mercury, and it will further investigate the planet's environment and geological history. Interesting facts: despite its proximity to the Sun, Mercury is not the hottest planet in the solar system. That title goes to Venus, which has a thick atmosphere that traps heat through the greenhouse effect. Mercury is a fascinating planet with extreme conditions, and because of its small size, proximity to the Sun, and lack of atmosphere, it holds many mysteries that scientists are still working to understand. Thank you for watching. This video was created by Mastermind Programmers for School Students.